Hello everyone. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how do you add custom location on Instagram for your post. So firstly, open your Instagram app. So what you have to do now is you're going to post something in order to add a location. So just create post as how you normally post something. So create a post, same thing. All right, so choose something that you're going to post. So once you have chosen that, just go for it, click next, and then add your captions and whatever information that you want to put in. So just add that, and once you have done that, what you can do is go to add location. So here now you can type in whatever location that you want to. So for example, I will put my car. Right, car. So if you'll see a lot of options here, you can choose either one of them. So for my car, I'll just choose that. So you can type that and then you can just post it. I'm not going to post on mine, but it's what you have to do. Just click on post, then once you post it, then now the location will be showing as my car. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.